Mod Module 5.3 Day 1 Special Products of Binomials. Content Standard. Understand that polynomials form a system analog to integers, and they are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Language objective. Student will be able to explain to a partner what a perfect square trinomial is. Okay, explain 1. Multiplying the quantity of a plus b to the second power. In the Explorer, you determine a formula for a square of a binomial sum. The quantity of a plus b to the second power is equal to a squared plus ab plus 2ab plus b squared. A trinomial of the form a squared plus 2ab squared plus b squared is called a perfect square trinomial. Excuse me. A perfect square trinomial is a trinomial that is the result of squaring a binomial. Example 1. We have a square of a binomial, so this can be written as x plus 4 times x plus 4. And then from there we can use FOIL. This gives us x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 4 times 4. Okay, so then let's see where we come up with this. All right, so then assign our x as being our a and b as 4. So then this is, we have a squared plus ab plus another ab and plus a b squared, or b times b. So when we combine these, so this gives us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So then when we do this, give us this is x squared plus 2 times 4x plus 4 squared, or x squared plus ax plus 16. Right? Okay, so let's try part B. So then we see that a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 2y. So we'll square this, means that we're going to do 3x squared plus 2 times 3x times 2y plus 2y squared. Right, so when we need to distribute this 2 in, so to give us 9x squared plus 2 times 3 is 6 times another 2, that gives us 12, and xy, and we square those in to give us 4y squared. Right, so we can either use the formula or we can use distributive. It will give us the same answer. Okay, so then this is called the perfect square trinomial. Oops, let me change the spelling of this. Okay, so let's go on to our next example. Okay, so this is your turn. So try this out. Right, so you can either use the formula a plus b quantity squared give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or use what we learned from module 5.2 using the FOIL. Will give you the same answers. Okay, and then rewrite it in a standard form. So it gives us x to the 4th power plus ax squared plus 16. Right, so for number 6, be careful that your a is now a negative x, right? So b is a positive 3. So whenever you work with a negative, make sure that you always use the parenthesis. So when we square a negative, become a positive, so it gives us x squared, and 2 times a negative x, and a positive 3 gives us a negative 6x, and 3 squared, that gives us a 9. Okay, so when you guys use this, make sure that you pay attention to the negative variable. Right, so let's try number 4. So now we have a quantity of a minus b squared. Right, so in the Explorer, you determine that the square of a binomial are different. The quantity of a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, because a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is the result of squaring the binomial a minus b. Right, so we have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is also a perfect squared trinomial. Right, so let's do this two ways. Right, so let's use what we learned from module 5.2. So we can use the FOIL with this. So this gives us x squared minus 5x minus 5x. So negative times a negative is a positive 5 squared. So this gives us x squared minus 2 times 5x plus 5 squared. So this is where we have the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared came from. Right, so then when we work this out, this gives us an x squared minus 10x plus 25. Okay, so let's try part B. So then a is 6x and b is a negative 1. Right, or in this case, let me change that b to a positive 1. Right, so we will use that negative. Okay, so then this gives us 6x quantity squared minus 2 times 6x times 1 plus a 1 squared, right? Because we assign it as b, and we leave the negative inside the parenthesis. So this gives us 36x squared minus 12x plus 1. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So this is your turn. So can I try this out? Right. So here I'm using the identity or the formula, but you can always use FOIL, and you will get the same answers. Okay, and then write this in standard form. Okay, so here's some more try it. So can you have a guy work this out? Okay, so check your answer for number 14 and 16. Okay, and here are some more try it. Okay, so then check your answer for number 2 through 6. Right, so here's some more try it. So try these two. Okay, so these are the answers to number 8 and number 9. Remember that always write your answer in standard form. Okay, so then these are some more examples. Okay, so check your answers to numbers 1, 4, and 7. Okay, so that's the end of our note for Module 5.3, Day 1. You have your book set assignment, and you have your new HRW assignment. Also, copy down notes for 5.3, Day 2.